I'm Jordan Rapp, an aircraft examiner here at Fleet Readiness Center, specializing in T-6 and T-44 trainer aircraft. My role involves carefully inspecting each aircraft and working alongside with production teams to ensure they're flight ready for the pilots who depend on them. We are the frontline individuals who will find the issues at hand and come up with processes that are necessary for facilitating those issues. I'm proud of what I do because it directly supports the mission, upholds strict safety standards, and keeps our fleet prepared for whatever lies ahead.